guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would just do a chit chat video and just, do like a chilled makeup look. I want to do something really pretty and yeah, I just want to feel, beautiful, because I don't know about you, but whenever I have makeup on, I just feel good. So I usually have my eyebrows done before I begin my videos, but today I thought I would just do them on camera. So as always, I'm just going to be using the Milani Dark Brown Stay Put Brow Color. So if you guys are interested in seeing an in-depth eyebrow tutorial, I will have it linked up here. Yeah, I was really pumped to film, and my neighbor decides it's a good idea just to mow his lawn. So why? I added some e.l.f. concealer to my eyelids. I just used the Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Beige. I'm going to be using my Sephora Pro Pigment Palette in Warm. I have no idea if you could still get this. I looked it up a couple days ago on Sephora and I didn't see this specific one on there, so I apologize if you can't get this palette anymore, but you don't necessarily need this palette to create this look. Just try to use similar shades, I guess, that I use. And I'm going to take this shade, I'm gonna have to hold this upside down to show you guys. So I'm just gonna take this shade right here, and I'm just going to apply that in my crease. So I can't believe it's already September. I feel like summer just flew by so quickly. It's so chilly where I am. I love fall. I also love summer too, but fall is nice. I also want to thank you guys. I never said anything, but I want to thank all of you who sent their condolences and just sweet messages after I posted the video about losing Nacho. I really appreciate it, and it's been difficult. Sorry, my camera cut out. I don't know where it cut out, but I was just saying that Nacho is truly missed. Him not being here is just, I don't know, you just feel like empty. And yeah, he was just a great dog, and it's not the same without him. But I just wanted to say thank you to all of you for sending me sweet messages, and I really do appreciate it. I am now going to just take this darker shade right here, and I'm just going to pack that into my crease as well, but I'm not going to bring it all the way up like I did the other color. I just want to kind of deepen up the crease. So I switched up my room again. This is like the third time I've moved things around. I don't know if I'm going to keep it this way. I just wasn't feeling the background in my last couple of videos, and I think maybe like this is better, where it's just like plain and you can see the makeup more, and it's more like focused on me instead of like my background. I feel like the background was a little bit distracting. So I don't know, let me know if you prefer this background or the background I had before. Oh, he's out there mowing again. I thought he was done, but okay, so to darken up the V, I'm going to take this shade right here, this one right here, this nice chocolatey brown shade, and I'm just going to focus that on the outer V. Ooh, that's a really pretty brown. Not really sure what kind of look I'm going for, kind of just winging it and hoping for the best. Just gonna take the first brush that I used and kind of just blend everything out so that it just looks seamless. I think I'm going to add this yellow shade right here. It's called Ochre. It's one of my favorite shades from the palette, as you can see, because it's almost gone. And just to help those colors kind of blend and mesh together. Just like that. I feel like that looks nicer. So when you want to cut your crease, it's really a personal preference, but I like to use a brush like this just because I feel like it helps me already create that shape. And if you tilt your head back, that also helps as well. And then I just take my finger and just kind of dab the outer edge. I find that this helps this part blend into the concealer better. So then I'm just going to take the brush that has this dark shade on it that I used on my outer V and just kind of tap it where the concealer meets the darker shade. And I didn't add any extra shadow on there. I'm just using whatever's on the brush. To add a pop of shimmer, I'm going to be taking Tarte's Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in the shade Top Yacht. So I'm just gonna pop that right where the concealer is. I'm just gonna take that dark shadow again and kind of just mush it in with the gold, just so there's no like separation and it's all, you know, meshed together. And then I'm just going to take the first brush I used and just run that along the top just so it's all nicely blended. For my brow bone shade, I think I'm going to take this shade right here just to highlight it. I still want that outer corner a little bit darker, so I'm going to take this shade right here. It's not black, but it's almost black. It's like a dark brown. And just pop it right here. And then just blend it out. And as you can see, I have a nice crisp line. I need to clean this up, but I'm going to do my other eye now off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put the tape back on because I wasn't gonna do wing liner, but I'm going to, I think. I'm nervous because I don't wanna mess it up. Okay, let's do this. I'm just gonna be using the Kat Von D liquid liner, by the way. My neighbor is still mowing the lawn. I'm not sure what lashes these are. I just found them in one of my drawers, but they're small. Like, they're not big at all. They're tiny, and yeah, that's what I feel like wearing today. So, and just gonna pop them on. So see, they're right small, but they're really full, and that's what I love about them. They almost look like eyelash extensions. So now I'm just going to add a little bit of moisturizer. I've already moisturized earlier, but I did have a lot of fallout, so I'm just going to add a little bit more. So I have been using the Skin Academy 0 Day Cream. If you live in Canada, you can get this at Shoppers Drug Mart. This moisturizer just leaves my skin feeling so nice, and I love the way my makeup sits on top of it. Oh, my bangs. You guys, my bangs have been making me super upset lately. Like, I can't stand them anymore. When I first did it, like, I loved them. I thought they were so cute and pretty. Now they're just like, I don't know. I need them to go. I'm just gonna use my favorite primer ever. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I can really tell the difference when I don't use it and I use another primer. This one is just hands down the best primer I've tried. So for foundation today, I'm not too sure which one I want to use. I used the Milani one a couple days ago and I wasn't really feeling it. I think I'm just gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This one just always has my back, and I just love the way this one looks on my skin. And I'm in the shade 220 Natural Beige, in case you're wondering. And I'm just gonna be using my Morphe sponge to apply it. So do any of you guys watch Big Brother? I have been watching it for, oh no, one of my lights just went off. Hang on. Okay, we're back in action. Sorry about that. What was I saying? Oh, Big Brother. Have you guys been watching Big Brother? I freaking love that show, and I'm so sad. Hopefully, like, I'm not spoiling it, but I'm so sad that Janelle's gone and Kaysar, yeah. I'm so sad that Janelle and Kaysar are out. I really like them. Also Nicole, the one from Staten Island. I really liked her. Yeah, let me know if you guys watch it. And if you do, who are you rooting for? I don't even know who I'm rooting. Well, I like Tyler. Tyler's good. And who else do I like? Enzo's funny. But yeah, I've been watching that show for so many years. I think since like high school. Okay, I'm just gonna take my e.l.f. Concealer. I'm running out of this. I need to get some more. This is a really good concealer. It's hydrating, especially if you have a lot of like little fine lines underneath your eyes like me. So I find that this concealer really does a good job at keeping my under eyes hydrated. Really does a good job at keeping my under eyes hydrated. And it's super cheap too. Then for my powder, which is like my holy grail powder, I love this powder. I will never use anything else. This is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Mattifying Loose Setting Powder. This is my holy grail powder. That's why you always see me using it. I've tried many powders before, and this one is just the one that beats them all. It smells like peaches too. So I'm just gonna finish up my under eye. I'm pretty much just going to use, I don't even know, just shades that I used on my lid. Probably just use that chocolatey shade and just finish off my lower lash line before I move on to my bronzer. Okay, and then on my waterline, I'm just gonna add a brown liner. Okay, so I'm gonna take the bronzer from this Tarte Clay Play Face Shaping Palette, and it's in the shade Terracotta. It's just this one right here. This is my favorite bronzer. And I like to mix a little bit of Desert as well, just a tiny bit, not too much. For blush, I'm just going to take the Sephora Winter Flush palette, and I'm just going to mix these two shades together. So for highlighter, I'm just going to use Wet n Wild's Golden Flower Crown. just give you the nicest glow. Look at that. So pretty. I'm just gonna add some brow gel to my brows because since I do my brows at the start, they kind of get a little bit powdery. So I like to add this and it instantly gets rid of the powder that may have fallen on them. And it's this guy, by the way. It's by Essence. Okay, for my lip color today, I know that I always do nudes. I always do a nude lip all the time. And I was recently told by many people that I need to switch up my lip color. So that's what we're gonna do today. I have no idea what color I'm gonna use. So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna look through my collection because I think I only have nudes, but I'll be right back. Let's see what I can find. Okay, so the other day, Mike, I got him to do my lipstick, like my lip liner and my lipstick, and he picked a really nice combo. So I think that's what I'm gonna do today. I think it will look really nice with this look. So he used Deeply Intoxicated by Essence, and he lined my lips, not very good, but he tried. I'm just gonna take my Bare Minerals matte liquid lipstick in the shade OM. Now I know it looks nude, but since I applied this reddishy color, pinky color, it's not going to come out nude. You'll see. Isn't that a nice combo? I thought it was so pretty. Yeah, we were just messing around and I was like, do my lipstick for me. And this is the color combo he came up with. So to set my face, I'm just gonna be using the Milani Make It Last setting spray. This stuff smells so good. Mike's here.
Hey, how's she going?
All right, you guys, I went ahead and blow dried my hair, flat ironed it. This is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate all your love and support as always. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that like button as well because it really does help me out. All right, I'm gonna go sit outside because it's nice and sunny. I don't know what this was, but it's nice and sunny. I'm gonna go have a glass of wine and yeah, I'm gonna go hang out with Mike. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.